Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today we're going to make a wiggle effect or a wavy effect in Adobe After Effects. We are going to apply it on the text or any other shapes. So to start with, we are going to make a new composition, and I'm going to use the 9020 into 1080p resolution, and I'm going to rename this composition name to wiggle. And I'm going to add some text on the composition. And I'm going to align the text onto the middle of this composition. And right now we are going to add the wiggle effect on this text. To add that, we are going to make a new solid. It doesn't matter what color, and we're going to go to effects and preset and search for fractal noise. Just drag this one into the solid layer, and you can see there is an evolution option. Click on it, and on the random seed, press Alt and click on random seed. When you press Alt and click on the random seed, you will see there's one text will appear. Just delete this one and type time asterisk and 10. That's it. Now close this one and let's play. Okay, it seems good. Now click on the solid layer, select pre-compose and move all the attributes into the new composition and press OK. Now hide the composition. You can see the Tuhin editing is there, and go to effects and presets and find displacement map. This one, and drag it into the Tuhin editing, and you will see a new options will appear, and go there and click this one to the dark gray solid one composition one, and if you play this one, you will see it's basically moving. So let's drag this one into the bottom. Let's drag this arrow into the composition and rotate it. Move into this place and put another displacement map into the arrow and select the dark gray solid one composition one. Now you can see both of them have some wiggle or wavy effect. It makes it look like hand drawn or handwritten stuff, so handwritten stuff, so it looks really crafty. So I hope you find this video useful, and you can use this text, this effect for many kind of for your intro, maybe subtitle, maybe lower third. So the options are available. So thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.